Hello dear children, parents, teachers and all the well-wishers. Welcome back to another video. This video is just a hint to my students, my present students who are from class 1 to 12 and also to my old students who are preparing for various competitive examinations. As pandemic has given a new dimension to the questioning and assessing, I'm happy that the boards are taking a very good response towards various difficulties of conducting the examinations. Dear children and parents, most of you may think when the assessing is in the form of MCQs. MCQs are multiple choice questions. We may get an idea, okay, 4 options will be given or 5 options will be given. It's easy, answer will be there. I can pick one and I can answer it. Not much preparation. If you think you're mistaken, my dear students, most of the MCQs are objective as straight answer or case-based MCQs. You might have heard this phrase from CBSE many times, giving the circulars and notices, and most of our competitive examinations, our JEE, mains or advanced or NEET, whatever the National Testing Agency, NTA is doing in India and also some of the countries, this mode of MCQs, very important. Now this MCQ testing has come to even at the school level. Now for class 9, 10, 11, 12 of Central Board of Secondary Education, our term 1 examination is a board-based examination which is a case-based MCQs. What are these MCQs? Multiple choice questions. What is this case-based MCQ? In English, from maybe I think from class 1 to class 5, class 3, different kind of passage and question and answers. 4-line passage, a simple one. A dog is running near a garden and a girl went and played. Where is the dog? Who went and played? These are the questions usually in the lower class passage. When it comes to higher class, the passage can be descriptive, discursive, factual, different kind of passages. Those who write the English examinations, those who write the kind of examinations, the comprehensive in English and passage based, they all know pretty well what is case-based MCQs. A paragraph is picked from chemistry, physics, mathematics, and based on it, you have the MCQs. You have to read thoroughly the given paragraph or the passage before you could look at the questions. Those questions are MCQs, multiple choice questions. This passage, suppose some of the students, because I speak to the students, when a passage is given, based on passage 4 questions, children, how will you answer that? Before I could train them, I try to know. Then they say, ma'am, we just look at the passage and we see the questions and we try to look for the answers in the passage. If you are following this method, I tell you, my dear students, it's a big no. It's a wrong method. When a passage is given, followed by MCQs questions, kindly don't look at the questions at all. First, read the passage thoroughly. That is why we have ample time to go through the question paper and answering to be quick in the competitive examinations. That's the speed. We all know the answer, but at that moment, how you comprehend the passage, because mostly they are unknown, sometimes textual, sometimes non-textual. And this case-based textual, when the paragraph comes, you have to read the paragraph one time. I say no, not one time. No child will understand when they read that particular paragraph one time. One time go through the paragraph, get acquainted with the words which are given or the phrase. Second time again read, you will have much easier. Third time you will feel much better. Fourth time you will understand the in-depth meaning of it. The meaning which conveys the passage is different. When you look at the sentences, it is different. That is called the comprehensive, discursive, or the case-based. That's why you need to read it before you could know what is the question given there. Then the second step, after reading thoroughly, understanding what is this passage, don't take much time, don't look around. You are the best guide to that particular questions and answers in the examination. No one can help you. You can understand better. Then go to the first MCQ. Read the question. Then look at the options A, B, C, D. Don't jump into the answer first. Try to eliminate the wrong answers, which is not corresponding, which is not right with the passage. Then you will come to the right choice of the answer, and you will never go wrong in answering your MCQs. All my dear students of class 9, 10, 11, 12, of course lower class is also doing MCQs, but class 9, 10, 11, 12 needs a lot of reasoning. It is called reasoning, affirmations. You need to understand, you need to know thoroughly how to reason and how to eliminate the wrong answer. Then you will come to the right option, and that right option will give you the good mark of that MCQ. This practice comes only reading the given text, given paragraph, given passage. You need to read. You need to know the words, the vocabulary. You need to know the terminology, chemistry, physics, biology, and social, economics, informatic practices, physical education, physical and health education. If you know the terminology in that particular subject, definitely you can understand very clearly, and you can know how well you can answer those MCQs. My dear students, parents and teachers, guide all the students in this manner, because this year all the board examinations are MCQ based, especially the term 1, as we are getting ready and preparing for the term 1 examination. And also as NEET is approaching very soon, we know how the children go appear for the NEET, and also many of the competitive examinations which supposed to be held in the previous months are going to be held in the coming months. This is the right way to answer the MCQs. Think about these few tips of how well we can answer MCQs and how these case-based MCQs work for you, and you can be a better guide in putting the answers. I wish you all the best for all your MCQ-based questioning, tests, periodic tests, formative assessments, term examinations, and enjoy doing this kind of study and new pattern. Be blessed. Have a nice day.